Mr. Minister, sir, we have more than 110 households here, with more than 535 people who are at the verge of being thrown out of what has been their homes for over 50 years. I am in tears and disbelief. The senior citizens who dedicated their lives serving this country in various ways, invested their savings here, are now retired, have had their retirement plans, which were built over 50 years, shattered. We ask, or we pray, government intervention through you, Mr. Minister, to stop the eviction.
Nga notice eno church gye yawadde nti first April 2026. Eko kuba kuzanyisa buzanyisa bulamu bw'abantu. Kuno ku ttaka abantu bafumbirwako ne bajja ne bafumbirwa ku ttaka emyaka 5 mu 3. Alagidde RCC ono nga ye representative wa president mu kifo kino okubawa obukuumi obwetaagisa babeerewo mu ddembe nga bannayuganda balala bonna.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.